All right, so this is just a couple of thoughts about things that might help. So first of all, one thing to think about is fact families. So most people are able to see a simple fact family like 3 plus 5 and know that that equals 8. And a fact family means all of the different combinations that go with that thing. And we often write them as triangles. So 3 and 5 would be down at the bottom and 8 would be up at the top. And if we add 3 and 5 together, we can go this direction, right? 3 plus 5 is 8. We can go this direction, 5 plus 3 equals 8. And if we go down from the top instead, we have subtraction. So 8 minus 3 is 5, and 8 minus 5 is 3. And so the fact families that we can write, in addition to 3 plus 5, would be 5 plus 3, which equals 8, 8 minus 5, which equals 3, and then 8 minus 3, which equals 5. So the problem that you had, I don't remember exactly what it was. It was something like 24 plus blank equals 57 or something like that was the problem that you had. So something like that you can relate back to the fact family idea, where you have 2 out of 3 parts of the fact family and 1 is missing. So we have the 57, we have the 24, and then we have a question mark here. If the box throws your kid for a loop, you might try using something like a question mark instead, or it can even be another symbol like 24 plus star equals 57 to help get them away from like the idea of a blank space. And since we know how fact families work, right? 3 and 5 together make 8, therefore 8 minus 5 makes 3. We can have the same concept down here, where we can see that 57 minus 24 will give us the missing number. I don't know if that concept would help or not, but that's one thing to consider. I have a few other tips and tricks that might be useful. If this is the sort of thing you're looking for, I certainly can address a couple of more thoughts for how you might try this. I teach 6th and 7th grade, so I don't really know what elementary schools teach, but I do know what tends to be useful and not useful once they get to middle school.